Okay, foam rolling shins. So we started off, we've got a 4 and a 3 inch roller because we found that it's right now, it's a little bit nicer when we're up higher. The shins kind of go at a forward incline. So we've got this, you could start off with 2 level ones, or you could start off with just 1, right? So we needed to bring in 2 to make it so we were not in pain. We wanted, especially when sometimes it's more comfortable when a person's lower or up higher. So one thing to take note of is where your hip weight is. So when the hip weight is down and back and not directly over the foam roller, that'll probably make it a little bit easier on the spot where your weight is on the foam rollers. Go ahead and pop up high, Anna Maria, thanks. So now here the weight is right over the foam rollers, and that's more likely going to make it more uncomfortable. Now there's an aspect about how comfortable you might be around the knees. When you're up higher, you're making it easier on the tissue around the knee, so your knee itself might feel more comfortable here. When you drop back, it tightens around the quads to the knees, right? And because this foam roller is sitting on your subpatella knee tendon, right? So it's going to help tighten everything around the kneecap. So there's different positions you might be comfortable, uncomfortable for different reasons. So we're always looking to make it only a moderate sensation of uncomfortableness wherein you can manage to relax. And if you cannot answer yes to both of those, then you modify things. So initially we're just sitting here and we are